Hello, I'm Tony.
And I'm Art.
And we're from
here, Garden Masters
with a Z.com. And today we've been contracted to prune some shrubs or trim some shrubs for a neighbor. And I have had a revelation. Now, what could that be? Stay tuned and find out. So, what is the revelation? Well, the story goes like this. We've been using gas-powered equipment for many years, and being professionals, we've always preferred gas-powered because
powerful.
It is more powerful for sure. However, today, our homeowner came out with his battery-powered hedge shears. Ta-da! Battery-powered hedge shears. Yes. So anyway, we decided to put both of them to the test because I've always wanted to know how well they performed. And I can tell you one thing. They cut. They do cut. But if you're trying to cut through a larger branch, they may not do as well. But here's the huge benefit and what I've discovered with the battery-powered hedge shears. Lighter. They're very much lighter. You know, when you have your hand out and you're shearing, shoulder pain, wrist pain. With these, not so much. You act like you're in pain, Art. Are you really in pain?
I've been doing this for 4 long days.
Yes, see these shrubs behind us?
They're next.
You might be able to tell here that Art is now using the battery-powered hedge shears. You can tell because the cutting blades are a little bit narrower than the other ones, but notice that they still cut fine. This is a barberry shrub that Art is cutting now. So anyway, we just wanted to give you this little tidbit because we've always been a proponent of gas-powered equipment, but I think we're going to get some battery-powered hedge shears to make them lighter and easy on this aging body. And you might want to try that too. This one that our homeowner has is a Steel brand, and I'm sure there are other brands too. So anyway, try.
But I do want to say, when you got to get into like some tight, precise places, this is very easy to do.
Yeah, because the blades are smaller and they're not as wide. So yeah. And now I would never recommend, at least I don't think, I would never recommend an electric lawnmower because you got to deal with the cord and those just aren't as powerful. And it's not like it's taxing your body when you have a self-propelled.
But they do have battery-powered mowers, Tony.
Yeah, I know.
No cord.
I know. I don't know how those are. Never tried them. Maybe we'll give them a try at some point in the future.
That's what Ben uses. He uses all battery-powered equipment.
Really? Might want to try his one day when we see him. I'm curious to see how it goes. Maybe we'll even put that on video. So stay tuned to the channel. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter by going to gardenmasters.com/subscribe and like the video and subscribe to our channel because we want love from the YouTube algorithm. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our free newsletter by going to gardenmasterswithaz.com/subscribe or watch some other videos on our channel.